Let's try to answer this. All of the sounds below are voiced except. Guys, pag-aralan po natin to dahil lumalabas to sa board exam for teacher. Regarding the question, pag sinabi po na voice, meron pong vibration dito sa ating vocal cords. Pag sinabing voiceless, wala po siyang vibration dito. So now guys, let's find out among these given 4 options kung ano po dito yung hindi siya voice or voiceless. Now let's try to articulate this given consonants. So this is the proper way of finding if the particular consonant is voice or voiceless. You have to use your fingers and point and place on your vocal cords, and you have to articulate the particular consonants. Pag po may vibration, so that is voice. Pag po walang vibration sa ating vocal cords, therefore that consonants are voiceless. Let's begin with letter C. Z. Z. Letter B. V. V. Letter D. 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 Letter K is K. 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 Among the given 4 options, letter K is a voiceless one. So therefore our answer is letter K.